everybody, how you been doing? So it's been a while since I've made any videos. I've had a little bit of personal things going on, that my father-in-law died, and that kind of brought me down for a while. But you know, you have to go ahead and go on with life. Things happen, you got to go on with life. So I decided to go ahead and get back on doing my videos and doing my small engine repairs. I had an email, somebody emailed me stuff, and they asked me, they're taking apart a stihl weed eater and stuff, and they said that they had a little bit hard time trying to figure out how to put it back together, just the main part of it. So this is a video for that person to understand how to put these little stihl chainsaws and stihl weed eaters and stuff together. They'll have this three-sectional engine here, three-sectional part, and it comes with the upper cylinder, your middle case, and your bottom of your case. And what it is, if you look on the cylinder, you'll see that there is a little divot here, a little hollow space, and this coincides with this space right here. See that little divot right there? So it would go like that. If you try to put it the other way, you know, it won't work. Now you do it this way, but what's going to happen is it's going to be wrong. Because your flywheel is going to come out here, and this is where you put on your coil. You know, so that has to be in the right way. Now, the bottom part is that you'll see that there's a little tab here. With this tab here is to make it sure that you only put it in one way. You see, you can't put it in this way because it won't fit. It'll overlap a little bit, but if you go this way, it's a perfect fit like that. And you know, all the holes are aligned, and you can go ahead and put it together real easy that way. Also, if you notice on the piston itself, a lot of pistons, they have like a little dot or a little arrow. This arrow key or this dot always points to the exhaust, and that's how and then we put on your piston rings and stuff. You put it in there, and what happens is that because it's pointing this way toward the exhaust, the piston rings, the piston rings will not get caught in any of the slots in here. And that's why it's like that. It was made like that. So, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Now, the best way that I know, although sometimes I do it the other way around, but the best way is to start with a piston and go down. Because if you go the other way, it's really hard to do it. But this way is a little bit easier. Anyway, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm putting in together, this guy is put a little bit of sealant here. Just go ahead and just want a nice little coverage here. Like that. And you go ahead and put your gasket on there. Put on there and make sure that all holes are straight. So This is your first part. Okay, so the next part you want to do is you have to go ahead and figure out, not yours. Okay, so let's go like this. Okay. So you would have your, well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter because you can go ahead and turn this around and stuff, but go ahead, you need to go ahead and put your piston, or you need to put your cam rod through here and go ahead and put together your piston part next. On this one, this is actually pretty easy. The first part is, okay, okay, that was real easy. Put in your pin through, and you want to go ahead and make sure that it hits all the way to the other side. Now this other side is made so that it's smaller than the diameter of the pin, so it'll be stuck there. This side is milled out, so it's the right diameter here. So what it is that you need to go ahead and put in a little a clip in here, and this will hold in your little pin in there, or yeah. See. Oh my God. Oh, jeepers, man. That was definitely lucky. This little clip, it popped out, and I think it hit me right here on the side and then went down that way. But I was really, really lucky to find it, because these things are so small that it's almost impossible to find them sometimes. But I got really lucky. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, there we go. Now it's in all the way. Well, come on. Thing is that this thing is magnet on. Not going to work. I'll just have to try and do the best I can. Okay, here we go. Super. Ah, jeepers. Oh, come on. Oh, forget it. This is impossible to do. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try for something a little bit easier, different way to do this real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a turtle half turtle clip here. This will make it easier because just taking too long. And okay. So this clip here is about the same size as the other clip, and should be able to get it this way. Ah, crap. Okay, here we go.